That's why I wrote you a letter, 'cause you see, I write so much better.
Hi guys, thank you for clicking on this video. If you are new here, my name is Denise, and yes, this is my first clean with me, so be kind in the comments. So right here, I'm just using my spray way to clean my mirror, and I'm just removing everything, and I'm going to use this Clean Freak to spray down the sink really well, and then I'm going to go in with my sponge that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I just like to cut them in half, and I just scrub out the sink really well.
I hear them talking about us. Yeah. I can hear them thinking out loud.
And then I like to use a toothbrush to remove any hard water residue. So to dry my sink, I'm just going to use this white microfiber cloth that I got from the Dollar Tree to just dry the sink and the base. So I like to spray my trash can with Lysol before I put in an extra bag in the bottom, and then I'll put in a bag for use. So I'm just going to spray down the toilet with the Mr.Clean Clean Freak really well, and I'm going to also use a toilet bowl cleaner, and I'm just going to let these two sit here and marinate while I run upstairs with the toilet seat cover and the potty for Lucas, and I'll put it upstairs in the bathtub to clean it later. So on my hip is just a Walmart plastic bag that I use to put trash in, and here's Lucas because he's not taking his nap yet today, but if that's just in case you were wondering, I do use that bag to put trash in it because I don't want to use my freshly replaced trash bag.
It's a rare thing to do just what we do, love. Hold your head high and do it by your own turn.
So now I'm upstairs in the guest bathroom, and I'm not gonna just keep talking to you all, so I'm just gonna let you enjoy the music, and if I do notice that I'm doing something that needs some explaining, I'll come back on and let you all know.
So you gotta hold on to me. I remember the sound of us being loud, so loud, so loud. Just wonder where you're walking and talking, thinking, are you the same? Wonder how you're doing and moving through the crowds every day. And all I wanna know, are you thinking about me? I just gotta know. I just gotta know.
And this is just a generic furniture polish that I'm using on the cabinets. It is scented with lemon. I am removing all of Lucas's toys or anything that I don't want to get any chemical on, and I just put it in the sink. And then I just put all the bottles in the bathtub because I just want to make sure that I get all of the hard water pink residue off, and I just wipe them down really well.
Something starts to burst in my chest deep inside. Why do love like this hurt? Oh my God. It feels like I'm gonna cry. It feels like I'm about to die. If I can't have you, and I wanna be alone with you. Alone with you, my love. So I can show you what I'm gonna do. Alone with you, my love.
Just in case I forgot to mention it, I do like to take Lysol wipes to disinfect around the toilet bowls because there's people in here that peep standing up, and yeah, I just want to make sure everything's clean.
Change. You got issues that makes you a fuss, but someone's gotta change. If we never ever met before, if I never opened up my door, yeah. If we never ever got to start, if I never opened up my heart, yeah. You're about to lose me.
Moving on to the master bathroom, I am just removing everything from the countertop so I can continue with my normal routine. I'm just gonna spray down the mirror and the countertops first.
You need, but I don't think I can. If we never ever met before, if I never opened up my door, yeah. If we never ever got to start, if I never opened up my heart, yeah. You're about to lose me, just like that. should do. Do you? Do you? You're about to lose me. Just like that, just like that.
I found this water carafe on Amazon and I just wanted to use it for our mouthwash because I thought it would give the bathroom a more clean look. So I'll have it listed in the description box below if you're interested.
Just like that, just like that. Forever never gone so fast. Just like that, just like that. Forever never gone so fast.
Been feeling trapped down on the floor. I don't know what for. Feels like I'm gonna lose. Silence takes a hold. I can't let it go. Chin up, no one knows. But I won't let the stormy seas throw me in open water. Let me have my peace and leave me till tomorrow. Wind into my sail, away from things I let go. Floating on the waves. We go bottoms up, we go all the way. When you're feeling down, push the pain away. We go bottoms up, we go all the way. And face the
Right here, I'm just replacing our shower curtain liner for a new one.
hurting in my soul, shaking through my core, left me in the cold. Chained to what I know, drifter on the road, take it where I go. But I won't let the stormy seas throw me in open water. Let me have my peace and leave me till tomorrow. Wind into my sail, away from things I let go. Floating on the waves. We go bottoms up, we go all the way. When you're feeling down, push the pain away. We go bottoms up, we go all the way. And face that shit another day. We go bottoms up. We go bottoms up. And face that shit another day. We go bottoms up.
Everybody's been saying that you're up to no good. Everyone has been telling me that you got me hooked. You're playing it big time. You're feeding me lies. Everyone has been bugging me to sever the ties. But I would never, ever, ever would have believed them. No reason. Sometimes the truth is hard to see. But now the never, ever, ever seemed to be over. I saw her, so I'm happy I got freed. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. I won, got it done. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky. I won't let the door hit when I leave. Should've known by your rap sheet that you weren't nice. But now I am telling you, I'm going to smile. But I would never, ever, ever would have believed them. No reason. Sometimes the truth is hard to see. But now the never, ever, ever seemed to be over. I saw her, so I'm happy I
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please let me know you enjoyed it by giving this video a big thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to my channel. And I'll see you on my next one. Bye.
Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky. I won't let the door hit when I leave. I guess that I was born beneath a very lucky star. And in a weird ran out of luck and now it's my time. Ain't no looking back, I'm on the right track.